Hi guys, welcome to this session. In today's session, we're going to see how to create an ad sequence ad campaign inside a Google Ads account. Ad sequence is basically a type of video format in which you can put the ads in a sequence and show to your users. So you can have different types of video ads put into a sequence and those will be shown to the users one after the other. So that is what we try to do with ad sequence ads. So let's have a look at it first, how it will appear. So here, if you see, this is how the ad is going to look like one after the other. So when a customer, a user is on YouTube, they will find ads appearing in front of them one by one in this particular manner. So let's go inside the Google Ads account now and we will see how we can build this campaign inside the account, guys. So once you are logged into your Google Ads account, you can click on the plus new campaign button. And once inside this, we have to choose a goal for this campaign. Now, since this particular ad format is used for branding and awareness creation, you can choose brand awareness and reach as the campaign goal, and in which you can choose the campaign type to be video. Now here in the campaign subtype, we will choose the last option, which is ad sequence, and that is what we plan to build today. And you can click on continue. We will get into the campaign now, campaign settings. So we have to provide all the general settings regarding the campaign here, one by one. So the first thing which we are going to provide here is going to be our campaign name. Then as you can see, the bid strategy for this is target CPM, which is cost per 1,000 impressions, amount of money which we are willing to pay to show the ads every 1,000 times. Then you can set the budget for the campaign. So right now, since it's a video campaign, there are two types of budget setting which you can do. Campaign tool budget is a case wherein you can assign a certain amount of money which you are willing to spend on this campaign for a certain duration. The other type is daily budget, which is a case which is an average amount of money which you are willing to spend on this campaign on a per day basis. So you can give your daily budget like this. And then you can set the start date, end date for the campaign as well out here. You can give a future date if you want to start the campaign in the future. You can also keep the end date as none, which means that the campaign will not stop ever. Or you can select a particular date for the end date of the campaign. Then what we have is networks, so it's showing you where the ads will appear. So this ad will appear on YouTube videos, on channel pages, and on the YouTube homepage. Next, you can also set the location targeting. So here you are going to set the geographical location targeting for your campaign. So you can choose a country, city, state, pin code. You can also do radius targeting by going to advanced search. And here you can define your radius if you're doing local business. And you can pick the city particularly which you want to target. In this manner, you can target and you can see. Next, what we have is language targeting. So you can pick the languages of your customers, what they speak from this list provided, and target them. Then we are coming to the targeting piece for the campaign. So as you can see under people, you have two types, demographics and audiences. So you can do the targetings over here. Let's say I want to do right now audience targeting. So in audience targeting, there are various types. So for today's session, let's look at, let's say I want to do affinity targeting. So under affinity, these are all the categories you will get to select from. Also, if you click on the downward arrow provided out here, they will show you the subcategories for each one of them. So now you can go ahead and select the categories which you want based on your business in this manner. Once you have done your targetings, now we are coming to content exclusion. So in this, you have the inventory type to select. Now Google provides us with three types of inventory which you can select from: expanded inventory, standard inventory, limited inventory. Expanded inventory is a case wherein Google will try to show your ads on various types of content aggressively and on some sensitive content as well. Standard inventory will be a case wherein the ads will be shown on content which is appropriate for most of the businesses and brands out in the market. Limited inventory will be a case wherein the ads will be shown very conservatively and will never be shown on any sensitive content. What Google suggests is that you should go for standard inventory in most of the cases. Then you can also exclude some types and labels which are not relevant for your business. You can opt out of showing your ads on certain content which totally is irrelevant for you. So you can select those labels in this manner. In related videos, now you can also add some related videos which gives an idea about your business and it helps to increase the engagement with the users. So you can attach some related videos out here. Now we are coming to additional settings. So in additional settings, you can also do conversion tracking. So you can do a account level conversion tracking or a campaign level conversion tracking from here. Next, what we have is devices. So in devices, you can do device targeting. If you want to target specific devices based on operating systems, device models, networks, you can do it from here. So let's say I want to do operating system targeting and I want to target specifically Android and iOS. So I can do it like this. In the same manner, in device models, if I have specific devices to target, I can select them from here. Then what I have is networks. So in networks, you can target Wi-Fi networks or network providers in the region in this particular manner. So this is all happening in device targeting. Then you also have frequency capping. In frequency capping, what we are saying is you can also go ahead and try to show the ads once per 7 days, or you can try to show the ads once per 30 days as per your requirement. So you can select that. Last, what we have is ad schedule, which basically means scheduling your ads for particular days of the week or time of the day. If you understand your business really well, you can set your ad scheduling to run your ads on particular days and time. So you can choose your days and you can set the time over here in this manner. So these are all the settings at a campaign level. Now, as you can see, we are coming to the ad group level. So here it is the video ad sequence which you have to select from. So there are various types of sequence which you can create. Custom sequence will be a case wherein you decide the sequence, what type of an ad you want to show one after the other. Automatic sequence will be a case wherein we'll at least add 2 video ads and then the system will decide which one to show first and this next one. Introduce and reinforce will be a case wherein we use a long ad first, following it with a shorter video ad after that. Prompt and inspire will be a case where we create a combination wherein the first video ad will be a short video, which can be less than 30 seconds and followed by a longer video. Attract and direct will be a sequence wherein we are starting off with a short video, then a long video, and then again a short video. And engage will be a case wherein we add 4 short videos one after the other. So you decide what sequence you are comfortable with. For today, I am looking at custom sequence where I want to build my sequence myself. So once you select that, now we are going to start the process. So you can click on new step. And here you can give the ad group name. Now, since your YouTube account is linked to your Google Ads account, it will only show you videos related to that. So you can choose that in this particular manner. So right now, as you can see, it is showing a skippable in-stream ad. That will be my first ad. I can give a landing page for this. I can also provide a call to action. So this will be the first ad of my sequence. Once I create this, I can give the bid amount I want to pay for this. And then I can add this sequence. So this is my first one. Now I will go to the next one, next ad to be created. I can give an ad group name again, and again attach my video. Like this, I can select another one, give a call to action, a headline as well. And the bid amount for the second one. Then I can also add the third video for the sequence. I can add the video over here. And then I can give the call to action and the headline for it. And the last would be the bid amount for the third ad. So this becomes my sequence. Like this, I can add more videos if I want and create further more sequence of it. So like this, you can do it. Once you have done with this, you can click on create campaign. So now you can see your campaign is ready. This is an overview, a review of the campaign which we have built today. You can click on continue to campaign. This is how the ad groups will look like. If you click on the ad group, you will go inside and you can see the ad for each one of them. This will be the first ad. Similarly, you can see the second ad. You can also see the sequence path showing up over here, how the ads will run one after the other. So we are going inside the second ad group. So you can see the path over here. And then the last one which we are looking at right now. So you will see the video over here and the path shown up out here. So in this manner, guys, we can create an ad sequence campaign inside our Google Ads account. I hope this information was useful. Now you understand how to build such a campaign inside Google Ads. Thank you so much, guys, for listening into the session. Have a great day, guys.